Oh boy.
Mm.
Oh, we want to give him a kiss too. I think he wants to get. Oh.
Aw.
Don't kiss his eyeball. Look at his little face. Look at his little face. Oh. Hi, Blue.
He touched me on the nose.
Oh. Do you want to hold him again, Love?
Huh? Yeah.
Really delicate. Really gentle. Oh. Hi, Bluey. Oh. He's trying to eat me. Do babies attack?
No.
I think he's trying to bite